Success doesn't come easy. It requires sacrifices. It's about giving up something you want now for something even greater in the future. Sacrifices aren't always easy, but they're necessary if you want to achieve your dreams. Think about it. Every success story is filled with sacrifices. Whether it's waking up early to work on your goals while others sleep, saying no to social events to focus on your studies or career, or investing your time and energy into something that may not pay off immediately. Sacrifices are a fundamental part of the journey to success. But here's the thing. Sacrifices aren't about deprivation or punishment. They're about prioritizing what's truly important to you and being willing to do whatever it takes to achieve it. Sacrifices require discipline, the ability to stay focused on your goals even when it's tempting to give in to distractions or instant gratification. They require commitment, the willingness to stick to your plan even when the going gets tough and the road ahead seems long and daunting. But perhaps most importantly, sacrifices require belief. Belief in yourself, belief in your dreams, and belief that the sacrifices you're making now will pay off in the long run. So, if you want to achieve success, be prepared to make sacrifices. Be prepared to give up short-term pleasures for long-term gains. Be prepared to work harder, to push yourself further, and to never settle for anything less than your dreams. Remember, sacrifices are not easy, but they are worth it. They are the price you pay for success, and they are what set you apart from those who are not willing to do what it takes to achieve their goals. So, embrace sacrifices as a necessary part of the journey to success. Embrace the challenges, the struggles, and the hard work, knowing that they are leading you closer to your dreams with every step you take. Sacrifices are the cornerstone of success. Embrace them, prioritize your goals, and be willing to give up short-term pleasures for long-term success. With dedication and determination, you can achieve anything you set your mind to.